Hello guys! Today I will show you how to make this amazing map animation in Canva within 1 minute, so watch video till the end. So first go to video and select landscape video, go to apps and type map video. Select this one. Make video duration up to 10 seconds, select this second plane. Select country name here, which you want to animate. Now click on Create Video. Just wait for a few seconds. Click on Add to Design. Now fit it in full canvas. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorial. Thank you for watching.